Alright, Bash Cleaves. Okay, let's talk about it. So, if I put Bash Cleaves on my four weapons, and I'll have zero masterwork just for this, the axe, the two-hander, they give 210%. I'll just put those there for now. And then the two one-handers each do 105%, so we'll do those as well. Alright, then we'll sum those up. Yeah. Put in the shortcut for that. Whoops, what am I doing? Some of those. Okay, obviously, 630. Okay, now I've also set up rank 1 of Bash and the 5 cores, so let's just see what those are. Bash, rank 1, 33% damage. I'm actually gonna, here, we'll just do like Bash. Alright, then we got Hoda, DS, Upheaval, Whirlwind, Rend, and these ones hit for 50%, 100%, 77%, 25? 17? Something like that? What was it? 16? I think that's a mistake. I'm putting 17. I'm pretty sure it's 17. Rend is, what is it? 12 plus 96, 108. It's a good lucky number. Do that. Right, just to double check, Upheaval was 77? Yeah. Double Swing is 50%, but that's per weapon, so it's actually 100%. Oh, it is 50. Alright, so this Bash Cleaves is actually not additive damage. I think what it actually does is it, instead of bashing for 33%, it does a AoE bash for 630% of 33%. So the base damage of bash when it's Bash Cleaves is like twice as much as double swing if you have Bash Cleaves Tempering Affix on all your weapons. And that's without even turning up to Masterwork 12, okay? Obviously, if you have ranks of double swing and ranks of bash, it's going to be different, but I think you can get up to like 17 ranks of all of these, except for like Upheaval, because there's the Hellhammer, so you can get higher with that, but then you wouldn't, have the whatever legendary. So let's just talk about that. So these are the base damages of these. All right, so obviously bash is like twice as good as double swing if you just count the base damage, if you have a full set of Bash Cleaves tempering affixes. So what do we have to give up to use Bash Cleaves? We can't increase the size of any of our like Whirlwind or Double Swing or Rend or Rupture. We can't increase the duration of Flay, Berserking, Frenzy. We can't use Pressure Point or or Expose Vuln. We can't use Elemental Surge, which is not that good. Actually, all of this stuff is not that good. Hoda size, Upheaval size, Kick Vulnerable duration. It's already 4 seconds, that's fine. The only thing that you really give up by using Bash Cleaves Tempering Affix is the Dust Devil's Sandstorm tempers. That's it, right? Earthquake duration can be kind of cool, but it's like it's almost no reason not to run this. And if you do run this, it makes Bash better than literally everything else, just by default. And then, what if we add in Moonrise and adaptability? Now that's another 120% multiplier, and another 160% multiplier. So let's do a 120% here, a 160% here, and if we're not running a basic skill, then what would we have? If it's like a core skill, right? What's the best possible amulet? We could maybe use like BLT for a 60% bonus, and we could on our two-hander have Limitless, which is another great bonus for core skills, but that's another 60%. So how about that, okay? And then we'll multiply all these together, equals this times 1 plus this times 1 plus this, okay? Now you see Bash is doing like 5 times more damage than everything else, because not only does the Bash Cleaves Tempering Affix bring up its base damage so much, but it also, because it's a basic skill, it has incredible multipliers for the legendary aspects, Moonrise and adaptability. What else? The gems, if you want a gem for basic, Topaz is 45, whereas emeralds are like 25, right? And this is 25 only when you crit. This is 45 all the time. Basics are so good. It's disgusting. Um, yeah, so that's it pretty much. There's your answer. I think the only thing that can compete with Bash Cleaves is Gushing Wounds, because it turns crit damage into a total damage multiplier. So like maybe a Rend, Rupture, or Flay build, or Bash with Berserk Ripping could be incredible, but we'll just have to wait and see.